10 trading tips help me succeed as a trader. In the year 2000, Mark Douglas published Trading in the Zone, one of the most essential books for guidance about developing a trader's mindset. After almost 2 decades of experience as a professional trader at the moment of publishing, Douglas perfectly understood the ins and outs of stock market trading, which was still done in person on the exchange floor. Douglas developed an effective method where the psychology behind trading played an essential role in the success of a trade and, overall, in a successful trading career. Rewiring the skills learned in life and school, he advises how, by following his guidance, a trader could find a more confident and consistent approach based not only on fundamental and technical analysis, but also on mental analysis. In Trading in the Zone, Douglas begins his book by putting personality in perspective with a simple 30-point attitude survey at the beginning of the book, where the trader can determine the starting point of his journey. At the end of the book, he encourages the trader to return to the initial list to determine how his attitude has shifted to a more disciplined and understanding trader. Here are some of the selected tips that made a shift for me in the way I trade. 1. Stay in the flow and make yourself available. Douglas advocates for a trading approach marked by flexibility and receptiveness. He contrasts this with the often futile attempts to control or predict market movements, suggesting that success lies in adapting to and capitalizing on whatever opportunities the market presents. 2. Price movement equals market belief. This statement explores the notion that the core driver of market movements is the collective beliefs and expectations of traders. Douglas is highlighting the psychological foundation of market dynamics, implying that understanding these collective beliefs is crucial for interpreting market movements. 3. Market behavior has 3 simple forces. Douglas simplifies the complex dynamics of market behavior into 3 fundamental forces. He encourages traders to view market movements through the lens of these basic elements: the beliefs of traders about whether prices are high, low, or the ones who are undecided, thereby offering a more approachable framework for understanding market behavior. 4. Self-analysis versus understanding risk. This probes the often contradictory nature of self-perception among traders. It questions whether traders who view themselves as risk-takers are genuinely embracing risk, or, paradoxically, are engaging in behaviors that primarily seek to evade it. This incongruity between self-image and actual risk appetite is a pivotal aspect of trading psychology. 5. Shape your mental environment to a consistent state of mind. Douglas contends that trading success is less about technical prowess and more about psychological readiness. It's an invitation to embrace a mental shift, where the right psychological state, characterized by clarity and resolve, becomes the linchpin for navigating the markets effectively and fulfilling one's trading objectives. 6. Fear makes errors. Douglas underscores the profound impact of fear, especially the fear of loss, on decision-making in trading. Douglas posits that a significant majority of trading errors can be attributed to fear-induced choices, thereby highlighting the paramount importance of emotional regulation in the pursuit of trading excellence. 7. Clear your mind from opposing energies. Douglas emphasizes the power of a focused and undiluted intention in trading. He suggests that when a trader's purpose is crystal clear and unobstructed by internal conflicts or doubts, their ability to remain focused and achieve their trading goals is significantly enhanced. 8. Childhood joy and pain matter in trading behavior. He draws a fascinating parallel between the emotional shifts experienced in childhood and the swift transitions between success and setbacks in trading. Douglas suggests that our early experiences with joy and pain can subconsciously influence our reactions to similar situations in the trading environment. 9. Take responsibility. Douglas expands into the reality of how this is easier said than done. yet advises to start by seeing oneself as a future successful trader, by taking direct steps into shaping your mental state of mind, not only recognizing the market's behavior patterns, but our own. He also advises that if anyone is seriously thinking about trading, aligning one's mental environment is key. 10. Perception and learning. Finally, for Douglas, it is not only about all the points discussed before. He wraps my selection with how perception from our five senses generates a dynamic force between ourselves and the outside world. Deciphering how our perceptions influence our daily actions could give us a recognizable path to analyze and learn. So there it is, simple and direct. It is not only about the trade. Getting to know oneself could be the breaking point for a long and successful trading career. As Socrates once said, "To know thyself is the beginning of wisdom." Are you eager for more tips on how to become a successful trader? Click the link below to learn about Douglas's book. Plus, hit subscribe, like, and share.